Make 20,000 or more gems every week. How? I'll show you. First let's look at the division rivals. Here we have 3 modes and each mode gives gems for being ranked in leaderboard. And all you have to do is just play a single game in the week in each mode to be ranked. We can get 1550 to 1750 from VSA, 3100 to 3500 from head-to-head, and 1550 to 1750 from manager mode. So by playing just one game from each we are guaranteed 6,200 gems and 7,200 if you finish first. Next join a good league and you'll get around 10,000 gems every Thursday from league rewards. Make sure you finish all daily quests to get these gems. And when you get coins here refresh to get a gem offer. And watch these ads every day, finish 2 skill games here and that gives you 1,400 gems per week. And also in daily picks you can get lucky and might even get these 75,000 gems. And the offer keeps changing so try your luck when this appears, and here and here. And if all this is not enough you can try the holy grail of gems from the store, choose any of these offers and complete the tasks and you'll earn rewards. I got 500,000 gems once when I completed the Shadow Fight quest. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, like and comment.